This is a tutorial how to join our space in AltSpaceVR. First, if you haven't got an AltSpace account, head over to altvr.com and sign up using the link in the top right hand corner of the website. Once you've signed up, the next thing that you want to do is go and RSVP to one of our events. You can do this by clicking the link supplied on our TGI Teams website, which will take you to our events page. Here you'll be able to click the RSVP button. Next, you want to download the AltSpace app. You can do this by going to the Windows Store and searching for the AltSpaceVR app. It's free and it only takes a minute to install. Once installed, launch the app on your desktop and you'll be given a tutorial to complete. Click on Begin Tutorial and the first task will be to customize your avatar. This is my avatar and you can customize yours however you want. Press save when complete. These are the basic controls to control your movement around AltSpace and our world. Note you can also use the up and back arrow keys to move forward and backwards, and the left and right key on your keypad to move left and right. AltSpace also works with Xbox One controller, so if that's plugged into your PC, you can use that to move about. More information on the Xbox controller can be found on our website TGI Teams under the How to Join link. You can now go ahead and complete the tutorial if you want to. If you don't, press on the menu button, click on Settings, under General, skip tutorial and press the skip button. Now you're in your own home space, and from here you can choose to enter any of our events by clicking on the menu button, clicking on the Events tab, clicking on your Interested tab, and the events that you've RSVP'd to will show in this list. When the event is open, there will be a button here that says Enter, and use that button to click to enter our event. Note you can mute and unmute your microphone using this button here, and you can send instant feedback to our speakers using the emoji button and clicking on the relevant emoji. We recommend that if you want to ask a question, you use the raise hand emoji. If you like what the speaker is saying, use the clap, the heart or the smiley face emoji. You can also take a picture of yourself and share it on Facebook and Twitter using the camera button. This concludes the tutorial. We'll see you at our next event.